1950 Ford F1 pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Short box step side, as you can see, kind of murdered out, I guess, if you will, with the black wheels, black exterior, black interior, flathead V8 powered 8BA flathead underneath the hood, 3-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Front grille, headlight surrounds. If you'd like to see the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the pics. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Riding on a more modern wheel, radial tires, and speaking of which, 12-volt system now in this truck. As you can see, the paint has a nice shine to it. Nice reflection. It's one of those you can get in and drive it, have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Would I say it's perfect by any means as far as paint? No, but it still shows nice. Don't get me wrong. According to the previous owner, much of the metal on this truck is original, actually originally a Texas truck. There is a 3-ring binder that goes along with it, has restoration pics and some of the things that were done to it. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run in just a bit. I thought something that was cool on this is this wood bed. It can actually be removed. So if you're going to haul something in this, maybe do a parade with people in the back of it, this will just lift right out, and it's a steel floor underneath there. Kind of a cool setup when you think about it. And it's heavy enough, it's not like it's going to go anywhere back there. If you're driving it down the road, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Quite a few extras will go with this. It looks like there's some window regulators, guides, what have you. I know there was an extra dash with gauges over here. A few Wix products, like a generator, also an extra steering wheel. So there will be some extra parts. There's a jack that will go with it, as well as this cover will also be included. And take your time, once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Some of the service work that was also recently done to this with some new parts, new fuel tank, it does have a new carb electric fuel pump, and then I did mention the couple of the totes that will go with it. We get to the inside, you're going to see dolphin gauges. Blinkers do work on this one. Push button start, and we'll get to that here just shortly. If you like these 1950s era vehicles, or maybe like muscle cars or late model sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. These vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are done, online or on our website, of course, and showroom floor also if you make it to see us in person. It's always nice. As we take a peek up and down the driver's side again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Again, it's black, so there may be an imperfection here or there, but hey, have some fun, get in and drive it. Speaking of which, there's a little paint missing from the inner part of the door. It's a rubber flooring. Vinyl seats have been redone with some seat belts in there. This would be a fun truck for parades. Like I said, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. It does have visors. Here's the push button start, just so you know. Keys on the other side. Dolphin gauges, like I mentioned earlier. So let's go ahead and turn the key to the right there. Here's the electric fuel pump. Push the clutch in. And again, push button start right there. Make sure we're in neutral. What do we have here? Voltmeter appears to be working. Oil pressure, fuel level. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. I've had the wipers work, although appear to be vacuum. They were slow. I did want to mention cracked side glass just on the passenger side. I'll roll up the driver's side so you can see that also. So, door closes nicely without having to slam the heck out of it. Sounds like you'd expect a flatty to sound. And speaking of which, let's slip up and pop this hood. Of course, I love this body style hood and where the latch is at. Show you that latch location real quick right here. So there's your hood latch. It's going to take me 2 hands to get it up though, so let me raise the hood and show you that engine bay. There's a peek at the underside of the hood. And there it is, flathead V8, again 12 volt system now. Here you can see the new carb with the fuel line, electric fuel pump. Second newer battery back here. These flatties use pretty smooth runners. There is a battery disconnect when it's in storage. There's the heater hoses still hooked up there. (1950) Ford F1 pickup. Nice looking step side with that removable wood floor in the bed. It's kind of cool when you think about it. Use it for some braids, have some fun. Maybe you want to haul something. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1950 Ford F100, finished in black paint with a black bench seat interior. Aftermarket Dolphin gauges. Our turn signal indicators are working. I should say the indicators do not light up, but the turn signals on the outside of the vehicle are working. This is a manual transmission on the floor. A little bit of slack in the steering, as you might expect. This truck stays pretty straight, letting go of the wheel. One of the great truck body styles from Ford, the early F100s. Our fuel level is a little over half. Looks like the water temperature gauge does not function. That's sitting at 100 degrees. Oil pressure is 40. And our speedometer is working well. The speedometer may be reading low, actually. Brakes are working good. This truck's easy to shift, has a nice clutch. Corners well. Check out all the details and look at all the pictures of this F100 at uniqueclassiccars.com.